Hey, what's going on? This is Muriel from the Sunshine Family. Today with Sounds of Costa Rica. I'm going to allow you to listen and hear what I hear to get an impression about the sounds that I hear at the end of the day here in Costa Rica where I live. And if you're new to this channel and you've never met me before, first of all, warm welcome to my channel where it's all about what I have learned since my move from the Netherlands with my family, my husband and 2 kids in 2018 to Costa Rica. And it has been the most exciting adventure ever. Of course, I'm super grateful for my laptop business that allows me to live and work here in Costa Rica, and allowing me also to inspire you that living an amazing lifestyle in a country such as this, whether that's traveling through Costa Rica or living in Costa Rica, it's all possible when you know how to make your living online. More information about that you'll find in the description below, where is overall a world of information. And for now, let me be silent so you can listen to the sounds of Costa Rica. I'm gonna walk around a little. It's the sound of my dog. Motorbikes, super part of Costa Rica. See the sunset? How amazing. And my new color of my nails. What sounds do you hear? Just reply in the comments below. Do you recognize sounds of specific animals? Let me sit here. That's the sound of my other dog. I hear many birds and geckos. The geckos make the chick 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 sound. No, I cannot do that really properly. Traffic is unfortunately also part in most areas of the sounds of Costa Rica. But at the end of the day, like this, on a Saturday, it's very limited. Look at the colors of the sky. We call this the electricity crocket. It's our personal description of this sound. Let me walk around a little again. Let me walk around the place. You might find this a very boring video, but what can better describe sounds than just by hearing them as real as they are? This is not edited. Oh look, this is Dirk created this. He built this. Do you hear it? I love this moment of the day. To sit here on the patio. Let me turn on the lights. Ta-da! I hear always dogs barking in the background, somewhere around our property, whether it's our own dogs or the dogs of the neighbors. Yeah. What can I say more? The sounds of Costa Rica. Of course, it depends where you are. There's rainforest in Costa Rica, there's mountains in Costa Rica. Every location has its own collective of sounds. And I hope that you like the sounds of my living area. You heard that? Who can tell me what animal that was? Now I'm making this video, I'm listening in a different way myself. Oh yeah, so I was touching on which area I live. If you never watched my other videos where I explain that I live in the province Punta Arenas, but on the peninsula de Nicoya, which is surrounded by ocean on 3 sides. I live on the countryside. I feel very grateful with having a big property between Montezuma and Santa Teresa. So we live quite in the middle. That makes us no farmers, although we have 170 mango trees full of mangoes. But we prefer to live outside of the town and to be central, so we can choose whether we go to Montezuma or Santa Teresa. And basically the sounds on the peninsula are more or less the same. But I remember when I was in Orossi or in San Jose, of course it's totally different. In Monteverde it's different. Costa Rica has 11 microclimates, did you know? So in case you didn't, well, it has completely different experiences on different places in Costa Rica. So I think if you're planning on coming to Costa Rica, visit other places than just one spot. If you're thinking about moving to Costa Rica, give yourself the opportunity to find out which location is best for you, and give yourself the chance to witness how rainy season feels like in that specific area, or dry season. For example, it might be amazing to be here during vacation time and close to Santa Teresa, but in dry season it's almost one of the hottest places in Costa Rica existing. I'm not sure if you can handle that. It can be very dusty, the roads are bad. I made other videos about that, but yeah, the sounds of course are also different in different places. So I hope that you enjoyed my video of today. It's a very weird video, perhaps. I didn't say so much, although I'm normally very chatty Betty. But for now, this was a video about the sounds of Costa Rica. And while Dirk is working on the plans, there's a hose here around me. I wanted to wish you a very beautiful weekend ahead. It's Saturday here while I'm making this video. If you have any comments, replies, do you hear recognize some sounds of animals? Please comment below. Let me hear from you. I love to learn from you as well. You know, remember, I'm not the expert of Costa Rica. I'm just sharing what I have learned, and I'm always open for suggestions. And with that being said, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done that, you can do that by clicking that little icon here somewhere on the screen and tap the bell so you get notified when I post another video. And do you hear that? Comes from that tree. There's a lot of animals living in that tree, for sure.